Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we shall be talking about load combinations. So we'll go to define, then you see load combination. So we can define it manually ourselves. Let's say, for example, I want to create a service load combination combo. Let me say service load combo 1. So I have dead, I have live, and I have maybe wind X. I'm using a scale factor of 1. I click OK. The next one I want to do is have a copy of this and name it service load combination 2 and change this to WY. Click OK. I think I'm done with the service, and I can also now create the ultimate. I can add default design combo. So select this and choose concrete frame. I'm going to tick this convert to editable. So click this, click OK. I have different load combinations. So I have this one, modify it. So you can see this one is just 1.35 of the dead. This one is modify it. This one is 1.35 dead, 1.5 live. So different combinations, modify, so you can see it's different combinations. So in the next video, we are going to be creating different envelopes.